viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Beast of Reincarnation exception code 0xc0000005 error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart our PC. So for that, go to the Windows option, click on power option and then select restart. So this will restart our PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if the error is fixed or not. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can move to mobile data, or if you are using Wi-Fi, then restart your router once and after that check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check if the error is fixed. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue continues, then come back, uncheck this, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search options. From here you have to search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings. Here you have to search for the game. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if the error is fixed. If not, next to verify integrity of game file. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. After that, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check if the issue is fixed. Next is to go offline mode in Steam. So Steam users, just go to Steam, click on Steam option. Here you can see go offline mode. You have to click on it and wait for some time and again go to Steam. Now you have to click on go online mode. So once you have done this process, after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates. It will check if any update is available. And after updating your Windows to the latest version, now launch the game and check if the error is resolved or not. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever option you get, click on it, click on yes and wait for some time. After it gets set up successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if the error is fixed or not. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if any antivirus software is installed on your PC, you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This will surely help to resolve the problem. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and again click on uninstall option. So this will delete the game from your PC. After that, you have to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC, and after your PC restarts, now launch Steam and again reinstall Beast of Reincarnation game and then click on the play button and check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.